Why many Christians then they fall today? Because most of them refused to build their house upon the log. They build their house upon their pastor. They build their house upon the prophecy of their pastor. They believe in their pastor. They have built their faith upon their ministry, upon their church, upon their pastor. They refuse to build their house upon the log, which is Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jesus said, Matthew chapter 7, 24 to 27, he said that whosoever that build his house upon the log, when the flood come, and when they then fall, when they will come to push that house will be there, because he built that house upon the log. But if you do not build your house upon the log, one floor or breeze or land fall, it will put it down. Many Christians today don't build their house upon their pastor, upon their professor of the pastor, upon olive oil, upon hanky, upon many material things. They don't have time to build their house upon the log, upon Jesus Christ. They believe in their pastor more than Jesus. They believe in some of the signs and wonders, some of the miracle water, some of the olive oil, some of the back to sender oil. They believe in all those things more than Jesus. And most of them may talk saying a lie while they talk. But when things will start happening, that they will pray and connect with heaven, they will start looking for material things, start looking for back to sender oil, because their faith is that praise. Their faith is not in Jesus, because they do not build their house upon Jesus, upon the log. They build their faith upon olive oil, back to sender oil. They not build their house upon Jesus Christ. That is why when some of them get problem, they will not connect with heaven. They will calling their pastor on phone, trying to bring anointing water, anointing salt, anointing oil. They will be bringing all those things to cover themselves, because they not build their house. They not build their house upon that rock. Most of you, they have double mind in Christianity. Why? Because you build your house in olive oil, anointing water, and all those things. You build your trust on all those things, and maybe those things have disappointed you. Now you are having double mind in Christianity. You build your house upon your pastor, upon the ministry where they go, upon your church. Now things have been changed. You don't have double mind for Christianity. But if you say you build your house upon the log, you will know where you stand. You will have encounter with Jesus.